guys, I'm just popping in to show you what I did for my living room area for the Valentine season. I'm feeling a lot better today. Still have a little congestion, but other than that, I'm doing pretty good. I put those beautiful DIY candle holders on this table, and that video is still getting views. It has over 4,000 some views now. These are the bookends that I did, and I just set them here until I finish with the area where I'm going to use these at. Back there, that's my DIY floral arrangement that was on my coffee table, but I set it over here because I have some other items sitting on my coffee table at the moment. You've seen the board that I made over for Valentine's Day. Still loving that. I'm having a little get together this weekend for my birthday. So we're gonna enjoy this wine and just have a little lady time in my apartment. You move over here. This is what I did for my end table. And I have a lot of DIYs on here. Starting with this stand back here, that's a DIY. I DIY'd this styrofoam ball. I just glued some pearls to it and put it in a candle dish. These candle holders are DIY also. My coasters and the coaster tray, that's a DIY. And my frame with hearts around it, that's a DIY. I took a piece of glitter paper and just put Love You More on it using my Cricut machine. And what I mean by that, if you love yourself more than anyone else, you don't give anybody an opportunity to love you less. Because when they start loving you less, you love yourself enough to say, no, take it somewhere else. If you don't love me, keep it moving. That's a DIY. I took my beautiful red teddy bear and I just set it down in this bowl. This mirror tray, that's a DIY. I just took the mirror, spray painted it, and then I glued some half beads to it to make some legs. So this is all that I did for the table. Next, for this table, I didn't really change out much. I have my holders on there with my greenery, my floral vase. And of course, I have my sign that says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13, and that is so true, guys. And of course, you've seen the coffee bar station. I am loving that. You see, that candy is gone. It is gone, guys. Haven't got a lot of views on this DIY coffee bar sign that I did that's exchangeable. I think the next one that I'm going to change it to is probably going to be for Easter or Mother's Day. I'm not sure. I haven't got a lot of views on these frames, but I think they turned out beautiful. And I did DIY the acrylic coffee stand here. Haven't got a lot of views on that either, but I think it's glam and beautiful. So those are the only items that I've done for the living room area for Valentine's Day. Just a few things on this table. A makeover on the boy card. And put those things on the table. Guys, tomorrow is my birthday. I do plan on having just a little something at my apartment this coming up weekend. And hopefully I will film some of that. Thank you so much for coming back and watching this very short video. I hope everybody had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I did. I just relaxed. Pretty much slept all day because I'm still not feeling 100% better. But I'm getting there. Thank you. Remember to protect your peace and your joy. Have a blessed day.